안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Okay. So for this lesson, we will be learning about clothes, items of clothes. Okay. So our first word is clothing. 옷. Okay. We call it 옷. Clothing. 옷. And our next word is shirts. Shirts. And in Korean, we call this 셔츠. 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 Sounds kind of similar, right? 셔츠, shirts. And next one is similar to shirt is t-shirts. So we just add t in front of shirt. 셔츠. So it's t-셔츠. t-셔츠. Okay? For t-shirts, t-셔츠, and pants. Pants, we call it 바지. 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 So if you ever go to a department store or mall, you say 바지 어디 있어요? Or 셔츠 어디 있어요? 티셔츠 어디 있어요? Yeah, so where can I find pants? Where can I find t-shirt? Where can I find shirts? 셔츠 어디 있습니까? 어디 있어요? Yeah. Okay, good. And the next one, jeans is 청바지. So pants was just 바지, but for jeans, we add 청바지. Well, 청 is actually a color of jeans. So we add the 청바지, jeans. Okay, next up, skirt. Skirt, we call this 치마. 치마. 치마 is skirt. Next up, jacket. Jacket, we call it jacket. Jacket. Jacket is jacket. Okay, that was pretty easy, right? Okay, I hope. Next one, vest. Vest is 조끼. 조끼. 조끼 is vest. 조끼 is vest. Alright. Next one is a one-piece dress. And we do have a name for this. We just call this one piece. One piece. So if you go to a department store or mall and then you ask the clerk or the staff, oh, one piece 어디 있어요? That means where is one piece? Where is one piece dress? Where can I find one piece dress? And the manager or the staff was like, oh, one piece? 저기 있어요. 여기 있어요. Oh, here is the one piece dress. There you can find the one piece dress. Okay, great. So the first set of the clothes we learned was the clothing, 옷. In general, 옷, 옷. Please wear some clothing. 옷 입으세요. Yeah. We'll learn more about the sentences in the future lessons. Shirts, 셔츠. T-shirts, 티셔츠. Pants, 바지. 청바지 is jeans. 치마, skirts. Jacket is jacket. 조끼 is vest. One piece. One piece is one piece dress. Okay, very good. Moving on to our next set of clothes. Padding is padding. Padding is padding. Okay, padding. Next one, coat. Coat is 코트. 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 Well, there's a similar pronunciation word like basketball court, like volleyball court. We also say in Korean. So let's say basketball in Korean is 농구, so it's 농구 코트. Volleyball in Korean is volleyball. 배구, I'm sorry, 배구 코트. So in sports lesson, we're gonna learn about that too. So it pronounces the same. 코트. It's the spelling is the same too. 코트. So coat is 코트. Next up, hat is 모자. 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 모자 쓰세요. Please wear your hat. Wear your hat. 모자. Okay. 모자. Next one is overcoat. Overcoat is 외투. 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 Okay. Next one. 목도리. 목도리 is scarf. Scarf is 목도리. 목도리. Okay. 목 is actually neck. So scarf is something that you put around your neck, over your neck. So it's 목도리. Okay. And gloves. 장갑. 장갑. Gloves is 장갑. Next one. Shoes. Shoes is 신발. 발 is actually foot. Okay. So 신발. So 신다 means in verb it means to wear. So wearing, well, that doesn't make sense. Wearing foot, but anyway, shoes is something that you wear on, on your foot. So that's 신발, shoes. Okay, and sneakers, 운동화, 운동화. So 운동 actually means exercise, to exercise. So we put on sneakers to pretty much, do exercising. Well, not always, but just in Korean, we call this 운동화. Okay, next one. The dress shoes or heels shoes, we call this 구두. 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 Dress shoes or heels shoes. Okay. Next one. Slipper. Slipper. And we call this slipper. 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 It's actually a loan word from English. So we just use it. Slipper. Alright. And next one. Socks. We call this 양말. 양말. Socks. 양말. Right. So that was our second set of the clothes. Padding, padding, 코트, which is coat, 모자, hat, 외투, overcoat, 목도리, scarf, 장갑, gloves, 신발, shoes, 운동화, sneakers, 구두, dress shoes or heels shoes. Slipper is slipper. I'm sorry, slipper. The Korean way of saying slipper, slipper. And 양말, socks. Fantastic. Okay. Well, the last set of the clothes. Okay, underwear or undergarment. We call it 속옷. 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 Okay? Alright. Next one. Belt is just 벨트. 벨트. Belt. In Korean, 벨트. Like ringing the bell, that bell and 트. Belt. 벨트. Okay. Ring is 반지. 반지. Ring. 반지. Okay. Next one. Necklace is 목걸이. Remember 목도리? That was the scarf. So same as scarf, necklace, we put it on our neck. So is 목 is neck. So 목걸이. 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 Okay, a little faster. 목걸이, necklace. All right. Next up, we have earring, 귀고리, 귀고리. So 귀 is, yes, you guessed it right, it's ear. And 고리, 고리, 귀고리, it's earring. Okay, well, if you say 코고리, well, we're going to learn about the body parts too later. But 코 is nose, so it's nose ring. Yes, nose ring. So 코고리 is nose ring, 귀고리, earring. Okay? Next one is glasses. Glasses is called 안경. 안경. Sounds similar to 안녕, right? So yeah, it's not 안녕, but it's 안경. 안경. Okay, good. And next up, we have the sunglasses. And sunglasses is just a loan word from English. We say sunglass. So you know how in English is sunglasses. So it's sunglass, sunglass. Okay, sunglass. All right. Next one, makeup. Makeup is 화장. 화장. Remember bathroom or restroom? We called it 화장실. 화장실. I don't know why it's called 화장실. Maybe they thought that 화장실 is a place to do makeup, which is not true. But maybe for Korean, I don't know. So anyway, 화장 is makeup. 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 화장. Okay. So that was our last set of the clothes category, and let us go through one more time. So we had 속옷, 속옷, which was underwear, undergarment, 벨트, belt, 반지, ring, 목걸이, necklace, 귀고리, earring, 안경, glasses, sunglasses, 화장, makeup. Okay, good job. Okay, so we'll see you in our next lesson. 감사합니다. 수고하셨습니다.